What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail on your phone. Alright, the first thing you want to do is download these two apps called Phonto and PicsArt. They're free in the App Store. They're both free, right? So you want to download them. And then, so you want to open up PicsArt then, right? After you open PicsArt, make sure you have a background already in mind or already have saved for the video. So you get the background and then you want to crop the background, right? It says it's already a preset crop thing for you. That's the YouTube size for the thumbnails. So just click that, and then after that you want to get like another background, like with a theme, you know, like with smoke, lightning, whatever that, with the color. So then you add the photo, and then you cover up the entire photo with the background, and then you blend it. So after you blend it, this is when the screenshots and the cutouts come in. So you go to your first screenshot, you click on it, we add photos and stuff, and then you want to go to shape crop, and then you want to get the circle or whatever shape that you want to use. You get a nice shape, you crop it, and then you place it with a place you want to have it, right? And then you can add a little effects like shadows and glow and stuff on it if you want to make it look a little better. You want to do that for both, or how many cutouts you want to have. So after you get done with the cutouts, you want to get like a ring thing, like make the photos pop, like make the cutouts pop. So you want to get rid of ring, and you can lower down the opacity to make sure like it's lined right. And then you just blend it again, just like the other backgrounds. It adds like a little effect to the pictures, make it look better. And some of them, like if you do like side to side, some of them make a little like weird crease in the middle, but that don't matter for this because we putting the other cutout in the middle of my player. So now you want to get the cutout of the actual My Player. So you click on the picture, add photos, same thing, right? So then you want to go to cutout, actually cut it out, right? Not crop this time. So sometimes the magic cutout actually works. This time it didn't. It couldn't pick up the actual person. So you want to do it manually, which is a little harder because it adds like a whole bunch of other stuff. So you gotta manually clean it up yourself. You wanna add a border to make a white outline for the cutout. Everything I do in this video is like my personal preference and optional to me. You can do whatever you want in your own way. But for this thumbnail, I blurred everything out because the background really doesn't matter. So after you finish, you wanna go to Phonto, and you can install your own fonts. They have a whole tutorial and thing about that over there on the app. So then you want to just add the font that you want, and then you're pretty much done. At the end, I end up going back and adding like a little 2K20 logo because I thought the right side needed something. Like it was kind of empty on the right side. I don't think my thumbnails are that good. I think they're pretty decent. It's just that a couple of people were asking me how do I do it. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.